Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to calculate sales growth percentage in Excel. So here I have a monthly sales data. To calculate growth percentage, we compare the current month sales with the previous month sales. So in the first month, I just leave it blank the cell, and from second month I select the growth percentage cell is equal to, in bracket, select the B3, the February cell, then minus B2 January cell, bracket close, divided by, again select the B2 the January cell and press the enter, and you can see the growth percentage is calculated. I select the cell, double click on this corner point to fill below cell, and I select the entire column and go to the home tab. In numbers group, here you can see the percentage sign. Just click on it, and here you can see your all percentage you are showing. So here you can see the growth percentage column, the percentage showing the positive and negative also. So positive value indicates sales growth, while negative value indicate a decline. Now let's make the report even more useful. In the performance column, so let's see the performance status. So I select the cell is equal to, type here if function, okay, then in brackets, select the growth percentage C3 is greater than sign 0, comma, in double quote, type here growth and add here growth sign. So I just open the emoji, press the window key, dot to emoji dialog box. Here I just scroll down and I add here the increasing chart. After that, I close this. Then again, I used a double quote, comma, double quote, and type here decline. Again, I open the emoji, window key plus dot. I just scroll down and I select here decreasing chart. Add the double quote. I just close this. After that, bracket closed, press the enter, and that's it. Select the cell, double click on this corner point to feel below status of performance, and you can see the decline and growth here showing. And you can see in minus percentage showing the decline and positive percentage showing the growth. Next here I'm using the conditional formatting to highlight the positive value and negative values. Okay, so I select here the growth percentage column and go to the home tab. In style group, I click on the conditional formatting, click on the highlight cells tool, and first I select the greater than value. In greater than dialog box, I type here 0 and I select here the green color to indicate positive value. Okay, and I click on OK. Now I go to the again conditional formatting, click on the highlight cell. Now I select the less than and type here 0. And now here I select the different color, the red color for negative value. So I just select here the light red to fill dark red text and click on OK, and you can see the positive percentage showing the green color and negative percentage showing the red color. And you can check the performance status also. So that's it. This is a way you can calculate sales growth percentage in Excel. Hope you understood. Subscribe the channel. Thank you.